Want this? Hello and welcome back. Today we shall be creating this curved text animation in CapCut PC. So let's start. Open CapCut and bring in your clip. Join my WhatsApp channel for clips like these. The link is in the description. Now create a new texture and rename it with your text. Change its font to something bold. Also make sure to adjust the font size to where it fits. Now scroll down and add some shadow to give the text depth. Adjust some of its settings. Now let's animate it. Go to the animation section and in animation choose the animations you like. I will go with this squeeze animation. Adjust its duration to where it feels stable, not too fast nor slow. Now let's give the text curve. For that, come back to the basic section and here enable the curve and adjust the curve where you find it good to go and place the text over the head of the character. And there you go, your curved text animation is ready. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Also follow me on Instagram for any question or work related to editing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.